Hello viewers. I'm your host, Muhammad Salim Ko Jawadia, and you're watching Darhakat Lab-e-Lubab. I used to believe Israel was dragging America into war. But last night, when missiles struck Qatar, a new truth emerged. It's not Israel, Iran is the one pulling America into war. Iran has lost a lot. Leadership, intelligence officers, nuclear facilities, and massive financial and human damage. While the enemy suffered? Almost no casualties, just financial damage. America doesn't want Israel harmed. But it also doesn't want Iran completely destroyed. Because history shows, America has often backed foreign interference inside Iran. Trump wants. Sold weapons to Israel. Frightened the Arab world. Show US supremacy. Chase the Nobel Peace Prize. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. And also press the bell button so that you can be notified of each new video in a timely manner. Thank you.